Standard 12th Maths, Chapter 8, Differentials and Partial Derivatives. Exercise 8.6, Sum number 6. If z of xy is x tan inverse xy, x equal to t square, y equal to s e power t, st are in R. Find dou z by dou s and dou z by dou t at s equal to t equal to 1. Both the values are equal to 1. See here, just slight difference here. Z is a function of x and y. So I can differentiate this partially with respect to x and y. See again, but see here, x and y also in terms of two variables t and s. So in that case, we can differentiate these two also partially with respect to t and s. See the question, find dou z by dou s. So in dou z by dou s, first I differentiate z with respect to x partially. Again, differentiate x partially with respect to s plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou s. Dou y by dou s. So, first let me find dou z by dou x. Here z is product of two terms, x into tan inverse xy. So I have to apply UV method. First I keep x constant, tan inverse x by y 1 plus x square, xy the whole square. Xy the whole square. Again differentiate this xy, keeping y constant. If we differentiate x1 plus keep tan inverse xy constant and differentiate x, you will get 1. So xy by 1 plus x squared y squared plus tan inverse xy. This is a dou z by dou x. So what is dou x by dou s? Dou x by dou s. See, because x is just t square, we cannot differentiate with the s. So answer is 0. Next is dou, and again you can find this in terms of s and t. S and t. Replace x as t squared, y as s into e power t by 1 plus x squared t power 4, y is y squared, s squared, e power t the whole squared, e power 2t plus tan inverse x is t squared, y is s into e power t, s into e power t. Next is dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y. So x into tan inverse x. X is constant. Tan inverse xy 1 plus xy the whole squared, x squared, y squared. Keeping x as constant, differentiate y1. So next is plus tan inverse here. That's all answer. So x squared by 1 plus x squared y squared. So in s and t you have to find in s and t. So x squared is t power 4 divided by 1 plus t power 4 s squared e power 2t. This is your answer. So what is dou y by dou s? Dou y by dou s, because y is s into e power t. So e power t constant. If you differentiate s, you will get answer 1. So dou, now substitute in the expression dou z by dou s. Dou z by dou s. dou z by dou x, that is xy by 1 plus x squared y squared plus tan inverse xy. This is your dou z by dou x into dou x by dou s is answer 0. Dou x by dou s is answer 0. Next is dou z by dou y, that is equal to x squared by 1 plus x squared y squared into dou y by dou s is e power t. E power t. So this is fully you will get here. So now this is the in terms of t. Now I replace in s and t, but this is 0 into anything you will get 0. First term 0. Second term alone you write x squared t power 4 divided by 1 plus t power 4 s squared e power 2t into e power t Now, so this value is dou z by dou s in terms of s and t. Now find t is equal to 1 and s is equal to 1. So replace t as 1. 1 power 4 is 1, but e power 4 e divided by 1 plus t1 s is 1. So e power 2. This is the answer. E by 1 plus e squared. This is the answer. See, in the second part, you find dou z by dou t. Dou z by dou t. What is dou z by dou t? Dou z by dou x. Dou x by dou t. Differentiate x with respect to t. Then dou z by dou y into dou y by dou t. See, already we got dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y. Just find dou x by dou t alone. X is t squared. So dou x by dou t is 2t. And y is s into e power t. So dou y by dou t is s is constant. E power t you will get. So substitute here dou z by dou t. So dou z by dou t is equal to dou z by dou x is, we got it as xy by 1 plus x squared y squared plus tan inverse xy. And dou x by dou t is 2t plus dou z by dou y, what you have got, x squared by 1 plus x squared y squared. Then y is dou y by dou t is s into e power t. Now replace x and y in terms of t. X is t squared, y is s e power t. Just write x as t squared, yes, y is s into e power t divided by 1 plus t squared, t power 4, s squared e power 2t plus tan inverse x is t squared, y is s into e power t into 2t plus x squared t power 4 divided by 1 plus t power 4 s squared e power 2t s e power t. That's all. Now replace s as 1, t as 1. Substitute t 1 squared 1. So just you will get e alone here divided by 1 plus 1 e squared plus tan inverse t1 s is 1 here e into 2t, that just 2 plus this is 1 divided by 1 plus 1 e square, 1 plus e squared into this is e, just e. So multiply with the 2e by 1 plus e squared plus 2 times tan inverse e plus e by 1 plus e squared. So actually this is 1 plus e squared, denominator same, 1 plus e square. See, numerator 2e plus e, 3e plus 2 times tan inverse e. This is the answer. See the seventh sum. Let u as a function of x and y, e power x sin y, where x is st square, y is s squared t, where s and t are real numbers. Find dou u by dou s, dou u by dou t. See, again here u is a function of x and y, but x and y are again functions of other two variables s and t. So in both the terms we can do the partial differentiation only. They ask you first dou u by dou s, dou u by dou s. That u first I can differentiate partially with respect to x, and x is also the function of two variables. I can do the partial derivative only. Dou x by dou s with respect to x. Then dou u by dou y into dou y by dou s. Dou s. So find dou u by dou x. Here e power u is e power x sin y. Let me write it here. Sin y is constant. Differentiate e power x, you will get e power x. Then dou x by dou s. Dou x by dou s. S is st square. So t square constant. If you differentiate s, you will get 1. So here, and replace in terms of s and t. Sin y. Sin y is s squared t. S squared t e power s t square. That's all. In terms of s and t we got it. Then dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y. E power x constant. Sin y, if we differentiate, you will get cos y. So in s and t. So e power, what is x? What is x? S t square cos s square t. Then dou y by dou s. Dou y by dou s. So what is y here? Y is equal to s squared t. T constant. If you differentiate s, you will get 2s. 2st. That's all. Now substitute here dou u by dou s is equal to, first you substitute in terms of x and y. Dou u by dou x is sin y e power x plus into t squared plus e power x cos y into 2st. So now in s and t. So sin, here you got it as sin s squared t e power s t square plus e power s t squared cos t, y is t s squared into 2st. See here, e power is common here, e power s t square, and also here t square, 1 t here. Let me take t outside. So inside the bracket you will get sin s squared t, and 1 t is left. 1 t alone we have taken. That's all. Plus here this I have taken outside, cos t s squared and then remaining here 2s. 2s. So this is the answer. Next is do you, again see one more answer you have to give. At s equal to t equal to 1. T is equal to 1, s is equal to 1. You replace all as 1. So you will get here e alone here. Inside the bracket 1 here sine 1. Sine 1 plus 2 cos 1. All the values are equal to 1. So this is your answer. Next I am going to find dou u by dou t. That is dou u by dou x. Then dou x by dou t plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou t. So already we have got dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y. So dou x by dou t. What is x? X is equal to, here they given st squared. Remember this. So s constant 2t. So 2st. And y, dou y by dou t. That is s squared constant. Y is equal to s squared t, isn't it? S squared t. So x squared constant. We differentiate dt, we will get 1. Now substitute here dou u by dou t. What is dou u by dou x? We have got just now here. Dou u by dou x is e power x sine y into dou x by dou t with respect to t 2st plus dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y, I have got it as e power x cos y into dou y by dou t is equal to s square. This is in xy. Now replace x and y are in s and t. In s and t, this is equal to e power s t squared sine t s squared into 2st plus again e power s t squared cos t s squared into here s squared. So e power s t squared is common. Then one s is common. Let me take that also outside. So remaining term is 2 here t sine t s squared plus one s outside. So you will get s cos t s squared. So now replace t as 1, s as 1. So you get this is e. 2 t is 1 here sine 1 plus 1 here this is cos 1 e into 2 sine 1 plus cos 1. Yes, you can give the bracket here also. This is the answer. That's all. Thank you.